Hey, what's up, guys? This is Theo here, and welcome to your first tutorial on Vue JS. So, Vue is a library that's very popular. Just in the last, it's a year and a half, and I think it has about 41,000 stars on GitHub. So I have JS bin open, and if you have any experience with Angular JS, Angular 1 specifically, then this framework might look um, somewhat familiar to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add this library, and I'm going to go to Vue, and I want Vue 2. Okay, and I'm basically just going to show you how to create a instance of the Vue framework itself, and just like an app. Okay, so inside of here, I'm going to say var app, and then we're going to set that equal to a new view. Okay, and this is basically just a constructor which takes in an object, and there's a few properties here. So the first one is element. Where do we want Vue to bind to? And so we're going to pass it an ID. Or say app. Okay, let's just make sure we're not getting any. So we're getting cannot find element app. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this div with an ID of app. Cool. All right, so we have Vue, and it's saying get the dev tools. So we're not going to get the dev tools right now, but next thing we want to do is we want to give it a property called data, right? And this is almost like the scope in Angular or VM if you're used to that. Okay, so data, we want to give it a message right here, and this message is going to say welcome to Vue, and I want to give it an array to show you guys how you do almost like an ngRP, iterate over a collection. So we're just going to say users. We're going to say Theo, Rick, and this is literally the first day I've ever touched Vue. So I like it. I would just say it's very similar to Angular. So let's just look at what our app is at this point. So let me run this. And so you can sort of see it's got a lot of stuff on it because you're really instantiating a new pretty much instance of the framework. Cool. So we got our data. Let me make sure, let's run this. Cool. So we got our app in here, right? So now this is almost like this is the app, and we don't have a component or anything, but I want to show this message, so I can say h1, and then I'm going to bind message right here. And this is welcome to Vue, and let me change this to Vue. Sorry, welcome to Vue, h1, and now let's go ahead and iterate over these users. So I can make a UL, and I can do an LI with a v4. I'm going to say user in users, and that's giving us three users right there. And inside of here, we're going to stamp out the user. So we're going to say user. There we go. Theo, Rick, John. So we got our users. And now what I want to do is I want to show you guys one more thing that we can do. Is we can create a method. This is bound to a property on the Vue instance called methods. And so my first one is just going to be called log user. And this is just a function. It's going to take in a user. And again, we just have our name, so that's okay. And we're just going to log out you are clicking on, and then plus user. Cool. So that's good. Let me get rid of this. All right, so inside of here, right, we can just have a span, and that's okay. And we can say v on click, and we're just going to say log user. Let's make sure this works. So we're going to click here. You're clicking on object mouse event, and that's because we're actually getting the event here. So let me look at this real quick. And log user, actually let me do this, log user.bind null and user. And so we're going to do a little trick here. And we're going to say user. Okay, so now you're clicking, and why is it not working? Log user.bind, and I think it is because, let's see. don't know if you can do that actually. Okay, so let me log user and try this one more time. Clicking on. Okay, let's go ahead and log this event out instead. Say console log event.target.value. User is not defined, and let's grab this event actually. Let's look at what we have here. We got the event.target and text content. That's probably what we want, text content. So we'll just say const user, and then we'll just log out. You are clicking on plus user. Cool. And with all that, I want to do one more thing. Let me just give span cursor and pointer. Okay, let's clear this out. Let's clear the JavaScript out. And here we go. Click on Theo, Rick, John, Rick, Theo, John. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so that is it for your very basic introduction to Vue. And so hopefully we'll continue to make some more of these videos. But this is basically just to show you how to set up an instance of Vue. We'll go over the router later and so on. But hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.